Hello guys! I thought you might be interested in how a toy is created, so I decided to show you a bit of a process. It's already summer and I wanted to create something really bright and funny. So, meet the hero! By the way, this guy has no name yet. Let me know if you have any ideas. I would really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe. That will motivate me to make more interesting content for you. Thank you!
I decided to use semi-cotton yarn for the bee, though I don't quite like it, but the colors are really bright and it's easier to crochet compared to plush yarn. I planned to use a plastic velour nose and 10mm safety eyes at first, but I changed my mind during the process, because it didn't look as good as I expected. As always, I started by crocheting arms and legs, as I plan to attach them during body crocheting. Crochet density is really important when you crochet from a semi-cotton yarn, as all the flows are very noticeable. So make sure you crochet tight enough and your density is the same throughout the work. I stuffed the legs and arms a bit in the process. When I used the joints for fastening, I stuffed them much tighter. I compare them from time to time, as sometimes it happens that an arm or a leg is bigger or smaller than another. Further, I start the head. I make a magic circle and then continue crocheting, evenly expanding and narrowing till I get a ball of a proper size. I prefer to stuff the head really tight, that way you'll get a perfect round shape. I started the body right after the head using the same thread, so I don't have to sew them later. As I said earlier, I attach the arms and legs in the process. It was quite inconvenient to crochet using two colors, as you need to change the thread all the time. It was also a challenge to place the legs symmetrically. I tried really hard till I was finally satisfied with the result. I always stuff the body tight as well, so it has a proper shape. As always, I tighten the hole and fasten the yarn safely so it doesn't unfold. After that, I sew the arms and legs to the body with the remained thread. That way the toys look better for me. Finally, the boring part is over. After several attempts, I managed to design a nose which perfectly suits the personality which I intended to create. I cut a desired shape out of firmer run in advance and used 4mm plastic eyes. Then fixed them with transparent glue. Horns are crocheted quite fast, but it might be inconvenient because of their small size. Sewing takes more time. Actually, I hate this process of sewing. Oh, something's missing. Right, we need to make some wings for our bee. I decided to make them simple. After the wings are ready, I attach them to the body, hiding the place where colors change under them. Don't forget to weave in the yarn tails. Finally, my favorite part of the process. That's where you create the toy's personality and character. I decided to embroider eyebrows and a simple smile. So, that's the final result, and I like it so much. It's quite funny, even crazy a bit, but that's what I wanted. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.